Welcome to Non-Techie Guide. Are you ready to master Power Platform implementations without getting lost in the technical weeds? We believe in giving you the skeleton over the substance, the high-level city blueprint of exactly how it all fits together. In this complete series, we'll sketch out how to structure your digital skyscraper, map the global geography of your data, orchestrate your cross-functional team, and build a bulletproof safety net of testing. Don't build your business software in the dark. Watch the full course now, grab your blueprint, and learn to build with absolute confidence. Let's get started. Think of your entire organization as a massive digital skyscraper. That's your tenant. Inside this skyscraper, you have separate floors and secure office suites, known as environments. You wouldn't leave sensitive financial records sitting in the public lobby, which represents your default environment. That is exactly why we move important applications into dedicated, locked-down suites, complete with a Dataverse smart filing system. When you construct a new digital workspace for your business, its physical location in the real world is a critical first decision. You must consider two main factors: speed and the law. Keeping your data close to your users minimizes lag and ensures fast access. Simultaneously, you must comply with data sovereignty laws that dictate where specific information can be legally stored. Choose wisely on day one, because moving it later is a massive, complicated headache. When designing your Power Platform environment strategy, always prioritize the skeleton over the substance. Building software without a high-level structural plan is like building a stage during the live opening night. It leads to absolute chaos. Instead, establish a solid blueprint by separating your workspaces into development, test, and production. Whether you use a deployment master or a centralized master data environment, this framework guarantees a smooth, safe performance every time. Behind every great Power Platform application is a diverse, cross-functional team consisting of business users, developers, and data experts. The solutions architect acts as the orchestra conductor, discovering each member's unique superpowers and strategically distributing tasks like puzzle pieces. They provide crucial mentorship to junior members and make dynamic workload adjustments on the fly to prevent burnout. By treating your team as a living ecosystem rather than a factory line, you ensure harmonious and efficient success. Let's sketch out the skeleton of a bulletproof testing strategy for your Power Platform applications. You would never buy a car without crash testing it, and your software is no different. First, we use manual testing to ensure the app actually makes human sense. Next, automated testing brings in digital robots for lightning-fast regression checks. Then, load testing pushes your digital foundation's limits with heavy simulated traffic. Finally, security testing brings in professional digital lock pickers to keep your data safe. Combine all four and your release is ready for the real world. In this course summary, we focused on the skeleton over the substance of Power Platform implementations. First, we established our high-level blueprint, discovering how tenants and dedicated environments safely housed our applications. Next, we locked in our data's geographical location, balancing network speed with strict sovereignty laws. After that, we crafted a structured environment strategy, separating development from production to prevent deployment chaos. We also optimized our cross-functional teams, acting as conductors to distribute tasks based on each member's unique superpowers. Finally, we executed a rigorous safety net of testing, from manual checks to security lock picking, which guaranteed our final release was completely bulletproof.